Hi everyone. AI is everywhere, and it's changing the way we live, work, and play. Every day new AI applications and tools is being released. But with so many applications out there, where do you even begin? This is a short video about the most common and free applications that a complete beginner can start using as his first steps into AI applications after finishing watching this video. First, Chat GPT. Chat GPT is currently the most popular AI application in the market, used by millions on a daily basis. It is a chat-based AI assistant that replies to your questions. And perform tasks that you ask him to do for you, such as mathematical calculations and writing articles. It is an AI language model that developed by OpenAI, trained on a massive amount of text and code. This means ChatGPT can understand your questions, generate different kinds of text formats, and even translate languages. Basically, it's like having a superpowered library and dictionary rolled into one software, with a mix of helpful artificial thinking and processing. Currently, there are two versions of ChatGPT. A free version that can be used right away, but it is trained using old data input, which is 2022 at the time of this video creation. Therefore, if you ask him questions about the current events, it might not be able to provide you with a proper reply. Second, a paid version, which is based on the most recent data. Currently, you have to pay a monthly fee to access that version. Second, Google Bard. It is a direct competitor to ChatGPT that is developed by Google. It is almost the same functionality, with a bit of different features. You can do the same basic actions on Google Bard that you can do on ChatGPT, such as asking questions or asking for help in certain tasks. Currently, Google Bard is in beta mode, but it keeps getting better and better, and in some cases it generates even better results than ChatGPT. Google Bard is completely free to use, and its data is up to date. Therefore, it's more convenient for free users. Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you in improving your grammar and spelling by paraphrasing and restructuring. You can even add a browser extension for free to check your grammar when typing in the browser. It has a free version with limited capabilities. You have to upgrade to the premium version to get the full benefits of the application. Night Cafe. Night Cafe is an AI text-to-image tool that creates images from text descriptions. Let's try a simple one now. You have free credits, which means the number of images you can generate for free every day is limited. If you run out of credits, you either should wait until the next day for new credits or buy some from the store. Starry AI. Starry AI is another text-to-image tool that you can use for free. Just choose the style you want and then type the text and then click Generate button. As the previous one, every time you press generate, it consumes a credit, and you have to buy some if you want more images per day. Detailed guides and tutorials of those and similar tools will be added to this channel, so leave your suggestions in the comments section, and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss future videos. Bye for now.